Hello and welcome back to MarineMax Cumming, Georgia. My name is Quinn Seagraves, and today I am on a 2022 Tige ZX23. This is going to be the pinnacle of the Tige lineup. It's going to have your hybrid V-bow, so it's not a wide bow like the pickle fork, and it's not going to be a very narrow V-bow. So you'll have plenty of seating up here with the filler cushion. Let's say if you wanted to access all of the potential, or you can take it out so you have easy access to your bow. As we move back, you'll notice that we do have the fully loaded stereo system on board. So we have a pair of wet sound 10-inch tower speakers on both sides, as well as the upgraded interior. The system on board is not going to just be the sound system. We have a wonderful surf system by Tige. It's called the TAPS 3T Go system. So if I want to set up a sport or set up an activity, I'll just click our surf system, go to wakeboard, and click go. This is going to automatically set up all of my ballast on board, going to set up all of my speed controls, and I'll have intermediate, mediate, and pro. So you have some adjustability there to start out with. But it's going to be a 23-foot overall with a 13 to 16 person capacity, depending on how many frames you want to bring out. This model will have our large skyhook clamp board racks, makes it a breeze to adjust to your exact board side, and it will do wakeboard and wake surf. As I go to the transom, you'll notice we have a wonderful system on the Tige boats to where it has a gator step instead of having to step on your vinyl to go from the bow all the way to the stern of the boat. Have the stadium style seats as well as a nice gear locker. This is wonderful for any wake surf wakeboarders. You'll have a nice deep storage back here that you can store all of your life jackets, boards, and all of it will drain into the cockpit, so you don't have to worry about it molding. This boat is a wonderful layout. It's going to have everything you need to go surf. So we'd love to have you out, show you the difference, and get you on a Tige. If you have any questions, please call MarineMax Cumming, Georgia, and we'll be happy to help.